Hey guys, it's me, Teacher Emily. Welcome to my new activity called Aviation Island. It is a large airplane with 4 islands set on a sea of ice. To start, there are 5 whiteboard slides. The first is just the title, Aviation Island, and then the second is a game board. You can delete these and add your own material. Use the dice to travel through the game board. The third slide is where you drag your videos onto the screen, and you can use these like little filters to bring luggage onto the plane, or pilot hats, sunglasses, tie, walkie-talkies. So just fun and conversation. The fourth slide is a world map, so you can talk about the continents, maybe places that you've traveled, where you live now. The fifth slide is a question and answer slide that you can duplicate to add material if you like, just kind of following the aviation theme. So without further ado, let's jump inside. I'll hit the first person button and let's see if I went the right way. Yep, the stairs are this way. Kind of take a look around. It's kind of a cool view from up here. You could always just jump into the water, but you can also go inside the plane by these stairs. Just drop down. The stairs are red, and then there are the seats. There's kind of some luggage area, the center aisle. These are stairs. I'm going to walk around them. These are meant to be the bathrooms, and then this is like the kitchen area for the staff and the pilot seats. Up here there's 2 seats. Alright, and then we're going to drop down below to these stairs that bring you underwater. I'll turn around so you can see them. And then you are on the slippery ocean of ice. There are little snow pads where you can jump on top, and then you can see or take an ice break. And then, so the 4 different islands, each of them have a little board that you could put material on or instructions. What I would do, if you're going to use this for more than just play, I would use each island to put a separate activity. I hope you guys enjoy this activity. I had fun making it, and let me know how you like it. Happy teaching!